mine. I just opened up today. Aren't they pretty? And then those from yesterday, those orangish red ones. And then I got tiger lilies over here. Let me walk through this. Hopefully I'm not stepping on a whole lot of stuff. But that's what these ones are. Just little tiger lilies. And you can see them. They're very pretty. And then the rest of these should be opening up in the next day or so. I just got them everywhere. Try to watch where I'm walking so I'm not stepping on a whole lot of stuff. But I did. So yesterday I did some transplanting my blueberries. And then I had a small blueberry down there that I dug up. And then while I was down there, I see that I have some right there. That is hydrangeums. And then I got another one right there. Because those I have up there. Over there, there's a whole bunch of hydrangeums. So I'm going to dig them up this fall. And I'm going to put them over in my other shade bed that I've got going on. Which would be nice. But I'll take you down here. Not sure what time it is. Oh my gosh, there's a chicken out. What are you doing out? Do I need to clip your wings too? I bet I do. Better run yourself right back down where you belong. She's like, ah. Gosh, this hen. Don't run toward the ducks. They're not going to save you. Nothing like chasing a stupid hen, right? That goes inside their water. I found it. That's right. You better run back up there. You darn hen. What, you think I can't get you from there? I mean, seriously? I mean, really? Is that what you think? That is a big elderberry tree right there. I didn't even notice that one. You better get your butt back in there. Fly in there like you did before. Come on. There's an egg right there. All right. You want to run past like you're not supposed to? Crap. I don't want everybody getting out. Ugh, you stupid hen. Okay. Let me see. I'm going to have to do this real quick. Throw that in there. And then I'm going to have to get some grain. I got her back in here. Oh, I could have choked her. I really could have. My things I need to work on when it comes to loose animals that don't like to listen. That's the one thing that I cannot stand. Is that. I'm just walking through here. Yesterday I checked out here and still didn't see any eggs. So I'm assuming this could be from yesterday, but I didn't see it last night when we went in about 8:30. I'm just checking to make sure there isn't any other brown eggs around. There's two white ones here because those are mangoes, but I'm not gonna pick those up. Yes, I know, everyone, but I don't see any other eggs, so we just got the one, which is fine. We're gonna get us an egg laying thingamajig, a hen nesting box. I think it's got eight holes. I'd probably like to get 2, but they're expensive. Bless me. Sorry about that, everybody. But when you gotta sneeze, you gotta sneeze. Just like if you gotta burp or fart, you gotta do it, right? It's not proper, but... Okay, so that's all locked up. Mango, what you think, girl? I know you want a bigger area, which we'll do that. I need to actually probably stop the water. Let me make sure I can get past here real quick. Okay. It's watered pretty good. I like to do it till about the sun starts getting on the garden. If I do it first thing in the morning, so then it's then not gonna get burnt by the sun. It's very warm today, very, very, very warm. Whew. Pepper, what is wrong? Or as my husband calls you, booger. What? So I'll come up here. The darn ducks were in that again this morning. It's never ending. I'm telling you, never ending. So, like I said in the previous video, I'm hoping so you can see where I've had these rocks up and then the ducks knock them down as they're trying to get over them. But yeah, everything's pretty much dead. I mean, I had 2 flowers here and there, and they're gone because the ducks ate them. It's just like that. They ate that. That one up there is gone. I got these annuals that are up here. I see that they didn't touch, that my mom gave me, that she was given a bunch of them from somebody else. And then I planted something there and I don't remember what it was. You can see where they ate the ends of the leaves off. These are daylilies, and I'm just like, I don't really, I'm a lily person fan. Believe me, I love lilies, but daylilies I don't really care for. I really don't. I'm going to come up here and sit down for a second. That was a lot of running around chasing that darn hen. So, we're just going to sit here for a minute. Oh, and we can chit chat. So, as you see, right there, we have some sorry for my finger, hummingbirds that have been seriously fighting over that. My mom got that at a yard sale for like $2, is what she told me. And I have been wanting one, but they're so expensive. So my mom and I, see there's one, see if we can, it's not going to let me zoom in. I don't know why this is not allowing me to zoom in. I was hoping we could see it. But maybe we can't. But anyways, we were at Walmart, and that right there Walmart had that in the clearance. Yeah, it was in the clearance section, and it was originally $25. I told my husband, Billy, that I want to get a couple more of those because we have 2 males that fight over it consistently. So I told my husband that we must have 2 separate families somewhere here in the woods, but they build their nests pretty close to wherever the food is at. And like my foxgloves that they were really getting nectar off, they're not blooming anymore. They're pretty much done for the season because they're in early spring to early summer type stuff. But other than that, they can eat off the hosta flowers, but those usually are late summer to fall. Then I got some other lilies. I want a bunch of hollyhocks. I just love hollyhocks. But I think they're supposed to be more in like a shade or a sun. And just certain things that I still want to get. My husband's like, we need to get the dirt removed from there so we can get the orchard planted, get the fence up, but we can't get the orchard planted till this fall, so fence isn't going to be put up till this fall, which the garden will mainly be done, but at least we'll be ready for next year's garden, which in all reality, that's all that really is needed. I want to get 8 more galvanized beds. I was trying to think of everything that I wanted to grow this year that didn't get a chance to grow because I didn't have enough beds. So I think 8 more beds would be good because I want 2 full beds of asparagus. I want 1 bed for just herbs. So my one little above ground cloth bed, it's up there again. I can hear it. Sounds like a bumblebee. Oh, they're up there fighting now. 2 males. Green heads. I don't know where they went, but I seen them tangling with each other. Anyways, I was saying I want to pull those herbs out of that one. I want to plant more strawberries in the bigger one, just like where my other strawberries are, but have a second one for strawberries. Then I want a bed just for like salad stuff. You know, I want a bed that I could grow just beets in. I want a bed that's just for carrots. I want a bed, so I've got a lot of stuff that I want to grow still, but just really don't have the room. So next year, hopefully. I can hear bumblebees. It sounds like it's the hummingbirds, but I got a duck waddling right for me. You're not going over to my garden, so don't even think about it. You need to go away. I don't know what the heck she's eating off the ground, but leaves. Let's see if we can catch it now that I've got this. See if we can catch one that fly up there. want to find a spot that we could put the ducks in. There it is. She's landed, or he's landed. There it is. Actually, if I back it off a little bit. But yep, I'm glad we finally got to see one. Well, I mean, I get to see them all the time. I get in my video and stuff. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with everything. Everything looks great. The garden just is very awesome. Our horses stay in this hut almost all day long. They come down once in a while to get a drink and they go right back up. And they just stay right there for the most part. And he's purring. Aren't you? Aren't you, little buddy? You were just purring. He'll end up biting me because he's ornery. That's why I named him Pepper, because he's hot like a jalapeno. He's a little spicy boy. It's taken him a long time to let us itch him on the back of his neck. Huh, Pepper? Yes, it has been. But he's finally wanting to be loved on. It just flew away. I'm gonna say it was back up there. I'd take you down like, oh, that's what I was gonna show you guys. And then I can end this video. I'm sorry, just kind of been sidetracked. I was gonna show you that I transplanted the blueberries into a 7-gallon pot, and then put that smaller blueberry that I have into a kitty litter container, which I don't know, that's probably like maybe a 5-gallon bucket, maybe, but it's a smaller plant, so I thought that would be fine so we can get it situated. I want about 8 to 10 blueberries bushes is what I would like. I would like 4 of each of the fruit trees that we have. That's my goal anyways. I'd like 4. And then my orchard would be complete. Whoa, that's pretty mushy. It's pretty saturated in here, and it's good. That means everything that I did went pretty well. That thing, no matter how I sat it, it's crooked. It grew crooked too. So it's in there crooked. This is the one that I pulled up, and it seems to be doing all right. Then my 2 cranberry bushes. And then my husband said last night, there went a hummingbird, that this has got a flower on it. Right there. So this is our cantaloupe. He's like, they're trying to crawl off of there. And I'm like, yep, that's what they're supposed to do. So these are our pickling pickles, which I am going to pickle. I'm going to get baby size ones because I love baby pickles, and so does my son. But my husband likes regular, size pickles. Then I want to do them for sandwich pickles. This is my strawberry patch. So that right there is where my herbs are. I want to have all those in a bed. And I'm probably going to do more herbs, and then like my mints and other stuff will go into another bed. But herbs, my parsley, Sorrento, rosemary, that kind of stuff will go in one bed. And then all my mints will go into another. I do have some lavender in there that's doing pretty good. But yeah, I want that bed to be one of these beds. So these are our lettuces, our Roman head lettuces. They're actually starting to make Roman heads, which is nice. And then my pepper plants. And then our cabbages are actually starting to do little cabbages. You can see that right there. They're actually starting to do cabbages, which is nice. And then my cauliflower I grew, and the broccoli. I didn't grow the broccoli, but I did the cauliflower. And then these are our cucumbers plants, and they're doing all right. All my herbs. This poor dill plant, I need to pick it. It keeps wanting to fall over. This is my lavender right here, and this is mint or peppermint. No, this is sweet mint. That's spearmint. And then my little watermelons here, trying to become, but I don't think it's going to actually do anything. We probably won't get watermelon off of it. And this poor little thing here, it's still alive because it does have green on it. And that's on that main branch right there. It will come back, but we'll have to move it this winter, or this fall. And that's my other lilac. That's a white and pink one, and that one up there is a pink and purple. And then we looked here, and we do have some sprouts of corn, so I need to get my roller and try to roll this, but I'm going to have my husband's help. And he's like, what the heck happened to this? And I was like, well, I didn't want to roll this either, because I wasn't sure if my other asparaguses were going to come up, but I do need to weed that out. And this, I need to get weeded again. I can see areas of my bell peppers and sweet banana peppers. I was hoping that, I don't see where my spinach, this might be spinach right here, this new stuff that's coming up. I don't know. We'll have to wait again and see. But my tomatoes are doing great. My husband's like, this is what it really needed. It needed to definitely come out into the sun and do its thing for sure. I just kind of want to wrap this around this like that, kind of keep it over there, help it stand up. This, and it's okay right where it's at. And this one's doing really good. I'm going to put it up like that so it'll come through. And this one I could probably keep this way and put it underneath there like that, so it kind of train itself to be like that. See, I need this one to kind of be, I can get a tie and tie it like that. And then this one is kind of through, but I like the way that it's positioned. And then this one is kind of, I don't know if it's just because it's stuck maybe right like that. Oh, there, I can put it like that, pull it over. And then I got a small one right here that I'm trying to train, but it's kind of hard. But once they get going, they're pretty easy to train. See, they're all going to come down now and get a drink. And then they're just going to go back up there because it's less bugs bugging them. So I did plant beets along here and then radishes, and as we can see, they've even grown some more just in a day. My husband said the beans are doing good. I was like, yeah, they're doing actually great. And these are supposed to be bush beans, but they're not. They're pulled. We've got runners on them for sure. But they can run. That's what I put this here for. Then we're just waiting for our carrots to sprout. Hopefully they do. I planted them really thick, so I'm hoping somewhere in here I'll be able to start seeing them. But I don't know. We'll see. And then our marble peas, they're doing pretty good. They're starting to run too, so they'll, climb this, which I'm pretty happy. And my husband kind of pointed out some corn here. I know that's not. That right there's a corn. I don't know. I thought he showed me some. There's one right there. But overall, I don't see anything. Oh, there's a new one right there. Is it? Yeah, that looks like it. That might be one too. I don't want to pull them unless they are for sure, like that is. That, I don't know. This is. I got way off the roll here. There's one. It'll be nice when this is actually all fenced in and we can do a heck of a lot better next year. But all my squashes, zucchinis. See, this is from the first batch of corn that I planted. This one right here, which is growing pretty good. But I don't really see much on that one right there. So there is some new corn that popped up. Just really got to watch. Like this one. So when I go to roll this, like there's some right there too. Right there and there. I can definitely get up and around these, but I'm afraid to get too close to the rows and actually accidentally run over some corn. But I'm hoping what the chickens had plucked off, we had a bunch of them that was down along the side, but they ate the tops off. Hopefully they'll grow back, because you can still see the base of them, but this is pretty weeded. I definitely need to get it finished. That and that. So that'll be something I'll be doing, but I'm not going to bore you guys with it. But there's another little thing that I did. I thought I would share with you guys, and then we'll go from there. What are you guys doing? My girl got her halter off, which is not good. No, it's not good, huh, Diamond? It's not good, is it, Mama? Now, how am I supposed to get you? Right, Herc? Are you gonna pee, boy? I'll leave you be. Maverick? What you doing? Huh? What you doing? You gonna come here? You gonna come here? Come here. Do you want patted? No? You don't? Come here. They're like, no, sorry. They're working their way back up to go up there. They got their drink. Thank you, everybody, for watching. Please subscribe if you're new. Thank you to all our new subscribers, and we will see everybody tomorrow. Till next time. God bless.